Hello everyone, let's start with question number 6. So it says if A, B, C are mutually perpendicular, show that C cross A cross B equals 0. Is the converse true? So in this we need to first show that C cross A cross B equals 0. So I will take I, J, K vectors along A, B, C respectively. So I have a unit vector I, J and K along vectors A, B and C. Now we have C cross A cross B. They are all vectors. Now first of all I will write the value for A cross B, and that is A magnitude, B magnitude, then we have sine theta. Now sine theta here is sine 90 degree, as they said they are mutually perpendicular and they will be in k direction. Now we can write C vector as ck. So now you can see that we have C and we have A and we have B and we have sine 90 degree, that is 1, but we have k cap into k cap and we know k cap into k cap is 0. So therefore this is true that C cross A cross B equals 0. Now we need to show is the converse true. So converse means that we need to prove that A cross B cross C equals 0 or not. So we have angle theta between A and B, similarly as we have in the first case, and let k unit vector perpendicular to both A and B. So k I am taking as a unit vector perpendicular to both A and B. Now we have A cross B. So A cross B can be written as now AB sine theta, and we have k into C equals 0. Now we have AB sine theta. Now we can write C as C can be written as C sine beta. And now I will be writing what beta is. So beta is the angle between K and C, and I will be taking U as the unit vector along K and C. So U is the unit vector along perpendicular to both K and C, where beta is the angle between K and C. So we have value here, that is AB sine theta dot 1 into C sine beta dot U equals 0. Now in this case you can see this condition gives either theta equals to 0 or it will give beta equals to 0. We could have only two conditions here, that is this condition, the above condition can give us that theta equals 0 or beta equals 0. So we can say that they are not mutually perpendicular. Why they are not mutually perpendicular? The answer couldn't be equal to 0. So therefore we can say the converse is not true for the above equation. So that's all for this question. Thank you for watching.